Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I've got a Tesla, and a Tesla needs a charger. So I got myself an EV charger. So we're gonna check this out here and give this thing a go. It looks like it comes in a box and a bag. So this box is empty, so everything is inside of this. So let's check this out and see how this will work for us. Let's open this up. It's kind of weird I'm doing it hanging up here. I can't aim you down, but I'll show you guys what's in here. So, this is everything that came in it. Well, almost. So there's a little, this is gonna be a little hanging thing, so I'll put this on the wall, and the little, the end will go into that. We have the charger. So this is it here. It's gonna be with this here. I'll hook it up in a second so you'll see it. Well, that rubber band hurt. So this is gonna be the charging device here. It's a little plastic satisfying peel, I guess. And we have the end of it here is should be the traditional 4-pin, 50 amp wire. It's connected up with Velcro at the moment. I mean, I guess with the way it comes in that little zipper pouch, it could be portable. Although, probably be mounting it here. And then this is the charger here, with the little button to release it. So let's go plug this thing in. I guess I'll plug it in and run the wire over, and then you'll see what I'm talking about, how it works. Okay, so here we are. So I need, because I have a Tesla, I need the little converter piece here. So this just goes right in there. And let's go plug it in and see if it works here. So, let's see what we got here. Oops, dropped something. So we plug it in. And is it going? It is not. Let me see what I need to do over here on the charger end. See if it says anything here. Oh, it says it's connecting. It's got all these different settings in here and stuff you can kind of see right there. Oh, it says 16 amps. Connecting. Let's see what I need to do here to make it go. Maybe it is charging. I don't think so. I think it needs to turn green. Let me go look it up and see if there's something I need to do to activate it. Well, go figure. The little contraption I was using to connect it was bad, so I switched it out. I have a bunch of them, so now we're charging again. So now we're connected to the Electronova. And we are charging. It says on my screen, we are charging, I guess, 40 amps. So we are charging good. So that is nice. And let's see what the little contraption on the floor says. It says 40 amps, so there we go. 41.1 actually, I guess. So really nice, and it works. So I'm gonna say this is really nice, and look at that, charging my Tesla. Sweet.